Hi guys, for Mark Stone, I guess can you just describe the range of emotions at the end of the game tonight from 2 minutes left in the third period through overtime?
I thought we did a pretty good job of regrouping between overtime and the third period and overtime. It's just an unfortunate bounce. There's nothing you can do about it. But I don't think we played the way we played for the first 60 in OT. We just were a little too passive, let them come at us, and unfortunately gave up that goal.
We'll go to Jesse Granger.
For Mark Stone, I know you guys have been talking about the power play for a while and it's struggling. I'd like to ask you, do you think it's bleeding into the 5-on-5? Do you think it's kind of taking momentum away when you're not getting chances on the power play?
Yeah, I do. Our 5-on-5 play was excellent tonight. Controlled the majority of the game, tons of scoring chances. But in a game like this, your power play needs to step up for you. In the last 2 games, their power plays had to step up, and we haven't even got us any momentum. We had probably 2 shots on net in the 3 or 4 power plays that we had. It's about time as a group we take a little bit more pride in playing on the power play. Kind of take that 5-on-5 mindset to the power play.
We'll go to Justin Emerson.
Mark, what was the mood like heading into the room after the third period there? And did you say anything to Fleury during that intermission?
Like I said, it was a very unfortunate bounce. There's nothing you can do about it. We had a great mindset going into overtime. We had a good mojo. We had played a great 60 minutes. We had to capitalize on a few more chances in regulation, and we aren't even talking about that. We had lots of looks that we need to bear down and score. Fleury's played great for us all year. It's one mistake. We had to bail him out, and did not play the way we played for the first 60 in overtime.
We'll go to Mark Spector.
Mark, it's a big momentum swing. I mean, you guys have been around and played a bunch of games, played a playoff series, and I'm sure your teams are, resilient and you've been through these things. But this was a game you had in your pocket till the very last second, and now it gets away. Is there some, emotional damage done here? You guys got to recoup after this one a little bit more?
I don't think there's any emotional damage. I think that's a pretty harsh way of putting it. We were down 0-2 to Colorado. We got smoked 7-1 in the first game. Got brutally dominated for 20 minutes, and then really deserved to win the game. And we lose that one in overtime. We're down 0-2. So we like the way we played today. We really do. We played a great 60 minutes. We have to capitalize on scoring chances. We had lots of looks that we just need to bear down. Our power play needs to be better. And starting from the top, we have to score goals. I'm skunked in the first 3 games, and the main reason that power play is struggling. So there's a lot of us that have to figure that part of it out.
We'll go to David Shane.
I'll give Mark a break. For Tomas, just how happy were you guys with your start? But you guys weren't able to score and capitalize on it, like Mark said. Did you feel like that kind of hurt you guys in the end?
Yeah, I think we played good 60 minutes, but it wasn't good enough. To put a little bit more pressure on the goalie, be more hungry around the net, get some screens, get some rebounds in or tips in. I think that's how we have to score some goals like that. Dirty ones, greasy ones.
We'll go to John Morosi.
Thanks, Dave. Question for Tomas. How did your role evolve during the course of the evening, and obviously to the point where you were centering the line with Mark and Max, and how comfortable did you get there very quickly with that role?
Yeah, it's obviously it's a little bit different to play with Mark and Pash. I enjoyed it. Unfortunately, it wasn't good enough. I felt better pretty good as the game went on. I feel better and better, but can't be happy tonight.
Our last question for the guys would be Zdeněk Matyovský.
Tomáši, otázka, ty jsi nehrál 18 zápasů, tohle určitě nebyl zápas, kterým by si chtěl oslavit ten tvůj návrat zpátky.
No, tak bylo to, po dlouhé době jsem naskočil zase po zranění, takže myslím si, že to nebylo špatný, jak se hra zlepšovala postupem času moje. Myslím si, že jako tým jsme hráli dobře, škoda ty chyby a bohužel tak se to někdy stane a už jsme byli v horších situacích, teďka musíme na to rychle zapomenout a začít hrát stejně, jako jsme hráli dneska od začátku. Věřím, že vyhrajeme a vrátíme se zase sem a vyhrajeme tu sérii.